Hello, and thanks for joining me. Not only is food yummy, but it's an essential part of what keeps us alive, so we can't give it up. However, food can take up a big part of our household budget. Before you take up any or all of what I'm about to share with you, track your food budget for 3 months and see how much you are spending, and then compare your savings once you apply one or all of these options. In this video, I want to give you 5 ways that you can save money on food, so let's get started. Number 1. Plan your weekly or fortnightly meals, and that includes breakfast and lunch. Keep a folder of recipes you like and choose from those recipes, and once you decide on your menu, then plan your groceries around those recipes. Try and plan your menu around seasonal produce. The more thorough your grocery list, the better for you financially. You won't need to go to the grocery store later because you forgot one thing and then come out with 5 things. When doing the grocery list, don't forget to check if you need anything else around the house. For example, washing powder, toothpaste, or any other household essentials, and add them to the list. If you can get your groceries delivered for free, then that is a better option, and never go shopping when you are hungry. You can plan the menu on your own, or you can get the family involved. Select a day each week to plan. Educating yourself and your children around household expenses and food planning is beneficial. Number 2. Meal prep. On the same day you plan the menu, meal prep for the week you are going into. If you work and prefer your meals cooked on the day, you can prepare the ingredients for each recipe ahead of time. Make extra at dinner time to take to work the next day. Prep for your work or school lunches and snacks as well. Make your own snacks. There are lots of ideas online. It's expensive buying your snacks and lunches from the shops. Number 3. Become a vegetarian. Okay, just do it 2 days a week. This will reduce your food bill quite a bit. There are some tasty vegan and vegetarian meals out there, and not eating meat for a couple of days is good for your health and for the environment. Don't buy the vegan burger patties or vegan mints. They are expensive and you won't be saving money, which is what this video is all about. They can also have a lot of preservatives. There are online recipes to make these meals without preservatives and cheaper. Number 4. Shop at supermarkets that are known for their specials and cheaper prices. They are around. Just do some research and see what you can find around you. Number 5. If you have some land or are able to fit pots in your garden, grow some herbs and vegetables you use often. Lettuce, green beans, carrots are easy to grow from seeds. Just research what can be grown in the season and climate you are in. Use organic pest sprays that you can make yourself to protect crops from pests. Just look online for instructions. They cost less to make and are safe for you and the environment. I hope you got something out of this video and are willing to give some of these a try. Remember, nothing is easy when you start. You just have to persevere, but it will pay off in the long run. Use the extra money you save on paying your debts or investing. Good luck on this journey and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.